welcome back to my channel. Today I have another FabFitFun unboxing. We are in summer, or at least we're headed towards summer, and I have my new customized FabFitFun box. I'm so excited. It's a little bit smaller because this time I believe I picked a lot of beauty products. I really wanted a lot of beauty products this time. If you have never heard of FabFitFun, it is a great subscription service that you can do seasonally, you can do annually. You can get a lot of really great brands for good price. The box is a set price, so whatever you pick in your box, you can customize it to yourself, which is so nice. Like I said, this time I went a little beauty heavy, but there is beauty, fitness items, home items, fashion items. There's just a ton on there that you can pick from. A lot of brands, like I said, that you know and already love. A lot of times I get like restocks on things and throw it in my box, which is so nice. And I do have a coupon code. So if you are looking to try out FabFitFun, if you want to do it annually, you can use code ErinElizabeth20GIFT for 20% off of your box. If you want to try it seasonally, your first box you can get it for ErinElizabeth20 for 20% off. So it's such a good price. It brings it down a lot with that code. So definitely check it out. And let's go ahead and unbox my box. Okay, I also love the box. I love their sayings on the box, but this one might be my favorite. This box just got a nice tan. It's just like a cardboard box. I love it. Here's a little sneaky peek in my box. Like I said, a lot of beauty stuff. So let's go ahead. I'll share what I got. This is a gradual tanner. It's by the brand Volition. I have never heard of it before, but it was a firming body moisturizer with a gradual tan. I'm all about the gradual tan lotions. I still do the mousse thing once in a while, like a full-on self-tan, but honestly, like something that I can just slap on my skin, rinse my hands off, I am all about. So I wanted to try this one out. Super excited. I've never heard of it before, but I love, like I said, I love like a gradual tan lotion. Next up is a hair product. I'm actually really excited about this, and I'm actually going to be using this on my daughter. When I saw it, I was like, ooh, I'm going to add that to my box, try it out for my daughter. It is the INH Sleek Stick Hair Wax Stick, and she has a big dance recital coming up. It's a really big deal. She has to wear her hair a certain way, like slick back, low, and a bun, and I am not good at hair. I curl my hair, and that's about all I can do with hair. So hair is really hard for me, especially with my daughter. But I thought this would help kind of slick her hair back, keep all the flyaways out, keep it nice and tidy for her dance recital. But I'll also try it on myself too. So we'll see. Okay, another must-have product for me, beauty product, preparing myself for summer. This is from Sarah Topical. It is a cracked heel souffle. It is a beautiful moisturizer to fix my cracked, dry, disgusting feet that have been in winter and in shoes and are ready to come out into sandal season. So I'm really excited about this. I've never tried it. I saw it and I was like, I need to try that. I think it'd be great. It says massage gently onto clean, dry skin. So we'll try it out. Next up are kind of more like fashion-y type things, couple beauty. This is kind of fashion-y, but definitely an essential for me for summer. I'm definitely prepping myself for summer. These are some nipple covers. I love throwing on the like silicone or whatever nipple covers, that's the sticky things. I love them. I wear them all the time in the summer with tank tops, little dresses. They're just really nice. I don't need a ton of support with a bra. I don't got much left here, but the nipple covers are great. Just slap them on, you wear your tank top, whatever you want, and you're covered. I've never tried this brand. It's from the brand Gatherall. So we'll test them out, but definitely essential for me for summer. All right, next up, I got a piece of jewelry too. I saw this and I was like, ooh, that's kind of cute. I've been seeing all these like young girls with, with anklets, and I'm like, oh, that's kind of cute with like a little sandal. So this is from the company Danny Joe, and it's just a little gold chain anklet that I thought was kind of cute. So it is actually two that are connected as one. So it's just like this beaded little piece and then this little chain. I just thought it was kind of cute. I don't know. I'm not sure I'm a like anklet person, but I was trying it out. This is really nice quality. Wow, it's really nice. Very like, it doesn't feel cheap. It feels really nice. So, oh, so cute. Super excited about that. Okay, last thing I got in my box is actually a new pair of sunglasses. They're from Specs, which I really like. And I don't know if these are for me, but I wanted to try them out. I see them on everyone and I'm like, oh, they look so cute on everyone else, but I don't know if they're gonna look good on me. I'm like more of a big round sunglasses girl, but we're gonna try these out. So these are from Specs again. And I got these like kind of cat eye, little slimmer sunglasses. I don't know, they're actually pretty cute. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. They are polarized, which I love. Wow, they're really nice quality. Specs has really nice quality glasses. I've had a pair from them before, but I saw these on there and I was like, ooh, that's like a very trendy shape right now. I actually really like them. Super, super cute. So definitely check out FabFitFun. I love my summer box. I feel like I'm ready for summer. Check out my coupon code if you want to try out the subscription seasonally or annually. I'll have the codes down below, Erin Elizabeth 20 or Erin Elizabeth 20 gift. But I'll have those linked down below. Everything will be there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.